Welcome to biology class. We will continue with chapter The Cell. In our previous class, we have discussed about the structure of a cell, in which we have learned the structure and functions of cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm. We have discussed that jelly-like substance inside the cell is called cytoplasm, and most of the activities in a cell occur in cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, many tiny structures are present. These are called cell organelles. Cell organelles are the organs of the cell. As the organs perform different functions in the body, the cell organelles also perform different functions in the cell. So cell organelles are tiny structures inside the cytoplasm which are specialized to perform specific functions and hence are very important. Now we will be discussing various cell organelles and their functions one by one. Centrosomes. Centrosomes are present near the nucleus and are found in pairs. They are required for cell division and are present only in animal cell. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are known as the suicidal bags of the cell as they contain enzymes that are capable of digesting worn out cell organelles. They destroy foreign particles and unwanted waste that enter the cell. They are present only in animal cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes called ER, is a large network of membrane-bound tubules inside the cytoplasm. They help in transporting and exchanging material between the various regions of the cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum is of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes attached to it. This makes their surface rough. That is why they are called rough endoplasmic reticulum, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes attached to it. Some ribosomes float free in the cytoplasm, while others are attached to endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes helps in building proteins which are used by the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum helps transport the proteins made by ribosomes to the Golgi complex. So the next organelle is Golgi complex. Golgi bodies are stacked, flattened, membrane-bound vesicles. They are a series of membranes shaped like pancakes. The protein is processed inside the Golgi complex. They help in packaging of enzymes and hormones and are also involved in the formation of lysosomes. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell or energy currency, as it provides energy to the cell for the functioning, growth and maintenance of the body. It is a site of cellular respiration as it takes in nutrients and breaks it down to produce energy. Although they are found in both plant and animal cell, but majority of them are present in animal cell. Mitochondria is a rod-like structure. Look at the figure, students. You will observe that it has two membranes. The outer membrane is smooth while the inner membrane is folded into finger-like projections called cristae. So students, today you have learned about some of the cell organelles: centrosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and mitochondria. You will learn about rest of the organelles in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay safe. Thank you.